Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today our group will present our group assignment, which is voice call. My name is Nurse Dato Atika Izan, and I will explain about the introduction. Voice automation protocol of is a method and a range of technology for the provisions of voice and multimedia communication via protocol IP networks such as the internet. The Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, is a new management protocol for the automatic assignment of IP addresses and applications characteristics to devices that are connected to the network via a supplier architecture. The method eliminates the need to configure a network device manually and increase price to network competence. Central place the HP server network and protocol start client instance on each computer or device. Next, virtual LAN or VLAN is a broadcast domain that is separated and isolated on the data connection layer of a computer network and similar to the network trains, manage them in network system, producing the appearance and functionality of network traffic, which is physically located on a single network, but functions as if divided between several networks. So next, I will pass to my group mate to explain about the circuit design.
Okay, hello, my name is Noh Hidayah Safri. Okay, for the circuit part, first I create the circuit using router 2811, and then I'm using for the switch is 2960. And then for the VLAN 10, I set it for its name is data, and for the VLAN 2, the name is flow 1, and for the VLAN 3, and the name is flow 2. And for the flow 3, the VLAN I set is VLAN 5, and for the server, the VLAN is floor 4. So at each floor, I design with a few PC and one IP phone with server workgroup and server printer for each floor. And for the VLAN 4, I set 4 server, which is email, HTTP, web and cache proxy, and firewall. And for the data, I set the server is for database and file. And here for the IP phone, I set the configuration is for diapers, and I also did not forget to set the VLAN for each floor of the building. Next.
Okay, I will proceed. My name is Nurfati Atira binti Sharudin. Alright, okay, for the first, the user from PC 1.1 will be pinged to the user PC 1.2. Okay, as you can see at the result, it managed to send the ping, which is 4 received and 0 lost. Okay, for the next one is the user PC 1.2. Alright, the ping will be sent to the PC 1.3. Okay, as you can see, the ping managed to receive and 0 loss. Okay, next. Okay, next result is from user PC 1.3 will be pinged to the user PC 1.1. Okay, this for this one we managed to see we received the ping and 0 loss. Same goes to the PC 2.2. Manage to ping to the user PC 2.3. Okay, next. Okay, next for the user PC 2.3 will be pinged to the user PC 2.1. Okay, as you can see, this time around we managed to receive 4 ping, 0 loss. Same goes to the PC 1.1 will be pinged to HTTP and email. Okay, as you can see here, the send is 4, receive is 4, and the loss is 0. Both managed to send. Okay, for this part, the user will ping for PC 1.1 to work group, floor 1, floor 2, and floor 3. All of these we managed to ping, which we managed to receive all of it. Okay, next. Okay, so for this VoIP, okay, we managed to connect this both phone, which is phone 001 to 002. And this one, phone 003, connect with phone 001. And last one is phone 002 will be is managed to connect with phone 003.
Okay,
Alright, I will pass next to my teammate.
okay, my name is Lukman Nur Hakim bin Muhammad Rifan and I will explain about the discussion. Okay, for the first one, switches 0 and 1 are connected to the first and second floors and switch 1 is attached to the third floor. Okay, for the second one, the work group and printer server are located on the first and second floor, respectively. Email, HTTP, web and cache proxy and firewall server are all located on the third floor. Okay, and for the third one, there are 3 VLANs on switch 0, where VLAN 10 is for the database and file server. Okay, for the VLAN 2 is for the first floor, whereas VLAN 3 is for the second floor, and VLAN 4 is for servers such as email, HTTP, web and cache proxy, and also firewall on switch 1. Okay, so for the VLAN 5, it is for the third floor. Each floor is equipped with an IP phone. IP phone 1 is for floor 1, IP phone 2 for floor 2, and IP phone 3 for floor 3. Okay, next for the other discussion. Firstly, we will write the WLAN we want to create on the switch. On the switch, on switch 0, we use WLAN 2, 3, and also 10. While on switch 1, we use WLAN 4 and 5. We also create a trunk mode switch port for each port connected to the router. We also create a trunk mode switch port for each port connected to the router. Also, we assign each port used on its own VLAN and all ports to the voice VLAN switch port that has an IP phone. Okay, next I will pass to my groupmate.
Okay. My name is Nurnada Hanis Medi Tajuddin. I'm going to explain the next discussion. So to see if the DHCP protocol is successful, we click on DHCP on the IP configuration of each device. Lastly, the email server's email service is turned on. So every PC from each floor has its own email account. The PC on the third floor can then send an email to the PC on the first floor. An email is successfully received on the floor 1. Next, for the conclusion, as a network engineer, we construct voice over internet protocol, which is VoIP system. The required software and IP network for the VoIP system are constructed and simulated. We have also constructed the topology and list the IP and device used in the addressing table. We also list each VLAN in the VLAN table. Lastly, the system was successful, constructed and programmed using each protocol mentioned in the discussion. That's all from us. Thank you.